Who stepped in Chester's shoes on Gunsmoke?
Hello, classic TV series enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most beloved TV series of the 20th century, Gunsmoke. Specifically, we'll uncover who replaced the popular character Chester after his departure from the show.
Who was Chester?
Chester Good, portrayed by the actor Dennis Weaver, was a limping, sardonic deputy in Gunsmoke, which aired from 1955 to 1975. This character became iconic due to Weaver's unforgettable performance, making his departure from the series a significant event for many viewers.
The Arrival of Festus.
After Dennis Weaver left the show in 1964, the creators of Gunsmoke introduced a new character to replace Chester. This character was Festus Hagen, portrayed by Ken Curtis. He became Matt Dillon's new deputy and quickly won over the audience with his unique blend of humor and grit. He was a completely different character, with a new perspective and character traits, but still maintained the spirit of the loyal and somewhat quirky sidekick that Chester had embodied.
Festus versus Chester. Similarities and differences.
While Chester was known for his amiable personality, charming humor, and his distinctive limp, Festus brought a rugged persona to the screen. He was earthy, uneducated, but had a natural wit and a strong moral compass that made him endearing to the audience. Despite their differences, both characters played the role of a loyal deputy to Matt Dillon and brought their unique charm to the show. Their distinctive personalities added depth to the series and created memorable moments that are still fondly remembered by fans. So, when Chester left Gunsmoke, it was Festus Hagen who stepped in to fill his shoes. Even though Chester's departure was a significant moment in the series, Festus managed to capture the hearts of the viewers with his unique character traits. And that wraps up our video on this fascinating changeover in the Gunsmoke cast. We hope you enjoyed learning more about these memorable characters from one of the longest-running TV shows in American history.